good day, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to unbox Lexar SO DIMM memory for laptops. It's DDR4 in this case, 3200 megatransfer per second or 3200 megahertz. How you want to look at it is SO DIMM 1.2 volts. Yeah, this is a kit of one. Well, then it's not really a kit, it's just one piece of memory. I use this memory a lot with my laptops, DDR4 laptops obviously. It's very basic, to be honest. It's a really good memory. It has Linksys memory modules. Yeah, the brand is Lexar. I've used Lexar already for a number of things. I've used SSDs from them, both in 2.5 millimeter format as well as SSDs. They're a very reliable company, I have to say. The memory itself, I use them a lot. These 8 gigabit kits, well, 8 gigabit models, excuse me. When you have a medium laptop, I would say it's perfect for that. I didn't have any problems. I also use them, by the way, in those 1 meter mini PCs where these also fit in. Well, they're very well usable. They were very well priced. Now, of course, with prices of memory and storage going up incredibly, it's less obtainable. These modules were available when I bought them for about 15 euros each, which is, yeah, more or less $15. It's a little less than that. But yeah, they're very well, yeah, they fit very well, and they work very well. That's it for now in this series of memory unboxings. Please like and subscribe if you want more of this content, and let me know any comments if there are any. Thank you very much. Bye bye.